Hey everyone, I am Aiden and today's episode is filmed entirely on a cheap action camera called the Firefly 7S. I decided to do this episode because I started my vlog on this camera, actually the cheaper version of this, the 6S. I enjoy giving people a perspective of how to do stuff on a budget, that the fact that you can get going with what you have. Essentially, you just need your phone or an action camera like this, and I'll share the pros and cons of each. It's not an accident that I'm recording in the car. It's a great budget studio. If you have a car, and a car's not cheap, but if you have one, you may as well use it. The lighting's perfect. There's a little bit of shade so you don't get glare on the lens. And the sound is perfect. So you don't have to set up a little YouTube studio. So my original vlog, my first videos were all done in the car. That's also a little budget hack. Another thing about this camera, it's a 170-degree wide-angle lens. What that really means is all you need to do is make sure that the lens is pointing at your face, and you'll definitely get the shot. Okay, I've switched to the cell phone just so you can see there are pros and cons. The nice thing about having the action camera is firstly the wide angle, and secondly just the convenience of having a separate camera that you don't have to rely on your phone that might be either flat, the battery might be flat, or you need it for getting messages and phone calls. So it is nice to have a separate dedicated camera to your vlog and your video making. Also, right now, I'm busy talking to the phone, but I'm not 100% sure I'm in the shot. I'm going to check afterwards. Whereas with the action camera, I always know I'm getting the shot because of that super wide angle lens. So there's pros and cons to each. And now I'm moving over to the Giant Smooth Q. The Smooth Q is getting cheaper and cheaper. I think on flash sales you can get it for about $89. The Smooth Q gives you a lot of cinematic opportunity because it smooths out your footage, and you can do smooth stuff like this. Move it up. That kind of stuff makes a difference. Also, just grab it and walk. You're getting super smooth footage walking. So if you are into that and you're brave enough to walk around and talk to the camera, that is an option. In the end, this was just a short video to show guys that you can get started making videos with whatever you have. Start with your cell phone. I showed you the action camera, which is a great budget option to get started. The Giant Smooth Q, which is just old technology that works really well and is going for quite cheap at the moment. If you are interested in any of this gear, please click on the affiliate links below. It does help me and to grow my channel. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, please like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.